welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for my Walgreens haul. I have $16 in register reward that is going to expire today, so I really need to roll them. I'm sorry I wasn't able to post any Walgreens haul video last week, but I hope it was a great week for you all. I don't have any spend booster, so my goal today is just to roll my register reward, and the first deal I'll pick up will be on Angel soft bag tissue. They're on sale for $2.49, and when you buy 3, you get $3 register reward. What I'm going to do is pick up 3. All 3 will total $13.50. The first 2 will be $9 and the second one will be $4.50, which is half of $9. Check your app because we have $1.50 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to 12 and I'll get $3 back. One thing I noticed today is when I scanned all 3 packs, none of them was attached to the coupon, but I just added it to my account and I hope it comes off at the register. And after the $3 back, it will make each pack just $3 or $9 for all 3. Let's go over my receipt and see how it worked out. You can see the 3 items I picked up and my digital coupon came off even though it wasn't attaching to the product when I scanned it. I used $12 in register reward, pay 0 out of pocket, I only paid tax, and I got $3 register reward back. The next item I'll pick up will be the Crest Brilliance toothpaste. It's on sale for $5 and it's part of the buy 2 get $3 register reward. To complete this deal, I'll pick up the Scope mouthwash on sale for $5 and these 2 items will total me $10. For the Crest toothpaste, we have a $2 digital coupon. And for the mouthwash, I have only for you $3 digital coupon. If you don't have that $3 digital coupon, we have a $1 coupon in our app that you can use. After the coupons apply, it will drop you down to 5 and I'll pay $5 and get $3 register reward back. But this deal will get even better because we have a $5 back for the toothpaste in Ibotta and for the mouthwash, we have a $1 back. That means I will get $6 back from Ibotta, which will end up making these 2 items free and $4 money maker. Let's go over my receipt and see how it worked out. It didn't go exactly as planned because my $2 coupon for the Crest did not come off, but the $3 for the Scope mouthwash came off. I used $5 in register reward, paid $2 out of pocket, and I got back the $3 register reward for buying 2. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $5 back on the Crest toothpaste and $1 back on the mouthwash. And I'm going to call customer service. Hopefully they will give me back the $2. And the good thing with this transaction is even if I don't get that $2 back from customer service, this transaction ended up being free and a $2 money maker. And the last transaction I picked up is on Garnier Fructis hair care. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 register reward back. I'm going to pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5 and I'll get $3 register reward back, making both just $2 or $1 each. This was a very easy checkout. The 3 off 2 came off and I redeemed $5 Walgreen cash, paid just the tax and I got $3 register reward back, making both just $2 or $1 each. And this deal, you can do it on whole blend if that's what you like, because we also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the whole blend. But if you're doing them, make sure you're doing them in 2 different transactions. If you do them together, you're only going to get one $3 register reward. But if you do them separate, you will get 2 $3 register reward. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support. And I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.